Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be doing a little 4K video test with the brand new OnePlus 11. We'll be testing out the front-facing camera and the rear-facing cameras as well in the daytime and nighttime at both 4K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second. Now, I do got to mention that the front-facing camera does not give us the option to record at 4K 30 or 60. It is stuck at 1080p 30 frames per second. So I want to go ahead and just mention that, but we're going to test it out anyways to get an idea of what video quality is like on this front-facing camera. But let's go and get this video test started. All right, so starting off with the front-facing camera, as you can see here at 1080p 30 frames per second. Unfortunately, 4K video recording is not available with the front-facing camera. Hopefully OnePlus can bring that to us later on with an update, because yeah, it is kind of a bummer that we can't record at 4K with the front-facing camera when a lot of other flagships are offering that. But I thought I'd still go ahead and do a little test anyways, just to kind of give you an idea of what recording with this front-facing camera is like. And this is actually my second time doing this first portion of the video, because the first time I didn't notice that video stabilization was off, and I'll show you a little clip of what that looks like. And video is very jittery, very shaky if that video stabilization is off. So you want to make sure to turn that on. As you can see, very shaky, even when just doing some normal walking. But back to this portion of the video, or back to this take right here, second take, a different location. Obviously, as you can see, it is a bit more stabilized, but it also crops it in a little bit more as well than if you were to have it off. So if you do have that stabilization turned on, it does crop it in a little bit more, and that's what allows it to be as stabilized as it is right now. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Also, let me know what you think about the mic quality, how well my voice is coming through the mics, if it's picking up the background sounds over me or not. Just doing a nice steady walk here. So now you can let me know what stabilization is like. Let's go and do a little bit of jogging here to really check out stabilization. And this is all handheld, no gimbal or anything like that. There you go. What do you think? What do you think? Go and do a nice pan around here. Beautiful day today. My hair kind of messy right now. Look at this. But this is the front-facing camera at 1080p. Let's go. Before we go directly to the rear-facing cameras, I want to show you dual video mode. All right, so check this out. Very cool feature that these cameras offer. You get to show record with the selfie camera and the rear-facing camera at the same time. Woo, this sun is bright. You know, let me get some shade over here. Why not check out stabilization with this right here? I'll go and jog up here to the shade. There we go. Whew, that sun was bright. Anyway, so you can record with the front-facing camera and the rear-facing camera, and this is going to be cool for videos like reaction videos. Maybe you know, you want to record yourself reacting to something that you're seeing in front of you that maybe the other people can't see. Well, now they can, because you can be able to record with both lenses, and you can also zoom in as well with the rear-facing cameras. Just want to make sure not to get your hand in the way like this. But you can zoom in all the way to 10 times. So that's what that is going to look like. Going back to the main lens. And there is no option to use the ultra wide angle lens. So you could zoom in 10 times and then go back to the main lens if you want. But this is just to kind of give an idea of what this is going to look like if you ever do want to use this feature. Again, this is called dual video mode. But yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking at. This is my reaction. Beautiful waterfall. Let's go check out the rear-facing cameras. All right, so taking it over to the rear-facing camera at 4K 30 frames per second here at the Americana at Brand. Taking a look at this water show right here. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Now, of course, we do have the ability to use the ultra-wide angle lens. Capture more in the shot. And then we can also zoom in. Look how smooth the zooming is on this. So if I keep my finger on the zoom, look at that, we can zoom in 10 times, and it actually seems really stable. I can pan to the right, still stable. Let's go back to the main lens here. Let's go ahead and check out stabilization. We'll do a little bit of walking here. Like big elevator over there. Just doing a nice little walk to check out stabilization. Also do a little bit of jogging. There it is. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Got the big AMC theater right here. Look how cool. But yeah, this is 4K 30 frames per second on the rear facing camera. Let me know what y'all think. Let's take it over to 4K 60 frames per second. And just like that, we are at 4K 60 frames per second. I'm gonna go ahead and just start a nice little walk here. Of course, we're gonna get that smoother video. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Got the Tesla store right here. That's where the water fountain was over there. Now there is no option to use the ultra wide angle lens, but we could zoom in up to 10 times once again. So that's at 10 times zoom. Let me go back out to the main lens. Let's check out stabilization with some jogging here. Oh, I don't want to run into these people. There we go. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Let's go back to the fountain over here. Good amount of people here today. Look at this little water show. And again, this is 4K 60 frames per second. Let me know what you think. Let's go and check out some night footage. All right, so I have made my way into the night. As you can see, the sky is nice and dark. Of course, I do have, you know, some of the street lights around me, some of the, I guess you would call these Christmas lights on the palm trees right here, even though it's not Christmas time. But yeah, I am in a nice area right here on El Paseo at the Gardens right here in Palm Desert, California. Very beautiful area, but it is nighttime, so this will give you an idea of how this front-facing camera is going to perform in kind of a nighttime setting like this. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Again, there was no 4K video recording with the front-facing camera. It is stuck at 1080p or even lower at 720, but I don't think anybody's gonna want to record at 720p, so we'll keep it at 1080p. Just doing a really quick low light video test here. So you can see it's a little bit darker right here where I'm at. Beautiful night. Look at these palm trees in back of me right here. Beautiful. And there's nobody here. Let's go ahead and check out stabilization. We'll jog this way, see what it's like at night. I know video can be a bit more jittery at night than during the day, so that's always to be expected with nighttime video. But we'll see how the OnePlus 11 handles it. All handheld. There we are. Okay, a bit more brighter here. Got that light behind me. It is beautiful here. I love coming here at night. Really, really nice. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Do a quick pan around of the background right here. Let's see. What do y'all think? And I like it. It looks pretty wide for, you know, me just holding it in my hand like this without any handheld tripod or anything. The view is actually pretty wide. I know, y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Let's go ahead and check out the rear facing camera. All right, so taking it over to the rear facing camera at 4K 30 frames per second. Just doing a nice steady walk here. It's actually looking pretty good here on screen. I don't know, y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Got a truck driving by. Let's go ahead and check out the different lenses really quick. So we'll go with the ultra wide angle lens first. Give you an idea of what that's going to look like when recording at night. Of course, to capture more in the picture if you decide to do so. Now let's go ahead and check out the zoom. So let's zoom into, let's see, Louis Vuitton over there. Nice smooth zoom, up to 10 times. What do y'all think? Zoom back out. There we are, back at the main lens. Let's go ahead and let's check out stabilization while jogging. Again, all handheld. There it is. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Get close up on this menu right here. Look at those prices. Check out this water fountain. Very beautiful. Again, 4K 30 frames per second. Let's go and check out 4K 60 frames per second. And just like that, we are at 4K 60 frames per second, getting that smoother video, of course. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Let's go ahead and go into just a nice steady walk here. Check out stabilization. And we'll go ahead and go into a jog. It's a bit windy out here too, so let me know how well the mics are handling that, if they're picking up my voice over the wind here. So if I go up to the palm tree, you can see do got some wind going on here, so I hope it's not overpowering my voice. But let me know how well the mics are handling it. Doing another nice pan around here. Now there's no option to use the ultra wide angle lens again, but let's see what zooming in at night at 60 frames per second looks like. 10 times zoom again. Just kind of panning around here at 10 times zoom. Stabilization seems pretty okay. Let's take it back to the main lens. There we are. Go 4K 60 frames per second. Y'all let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. So there you have it, a little 4K video test with the new OnePlus 11. Now, if I'm being honest here, during the day, I think video quality is great, whether you're recording at 4K 30 or 4K 60. I think we get some decent video quality, but it's when we start recording with that front-facing camera, honestly, I'm just not feeling it. Even with the stabilization turned on, yeah, it is more stabilized, but the overall quality just isn't up to par with, of course, what we get with the rear-facing camera or other flagship devices that allow you to record at 4K 30 or 60 with the front-facing camera. So hopefully OnePlus will push out an update to allow us to record at 4K video quality, even if it's just 4K 30 frames per second with that front-facing camera. And then when it comes to nighttime video, I think it did pretty okay with 4K 30 frames per second, and then with 4K 60, it did okay as well, but it did seem a bit more jittery than what we got with 4K 30. With the front-facing camera, I wouldn't record at night at all unless you have the camera completely still. Maybe you have it up on a tripod and you want to record video that way, but I wouldn't go moving around with this or anything because video just gets too shaky. But those are just my thoughts. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Also, let me know what you think about overall sound quality. But that was the 4K video test with the OnePlus 11. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.